Hi viewers, Vanakkam, I am your SJ. In today's scenario, I think healthcare is the only sector which is running more efficiently and making some profit. Doctors are trying different combination of medicines to get out of this epidemic situation. Relevant to this situation, let us see the science and technology involved behind tablet manufacturing. Let's get into the video. How do they do it? Tablet manufacturing involves 5 different processes. It goes on like this: granulation, blending, compression, coating, and finally packaging. So let us see in brief what do they do in these 5 different processes. The first step is granulation process. To manufacture any finished product, we need raw materials, right? So to manufacture a tablet, we need basic raw materials like API and excipients. In this granulation process, the formulation scientist first process this API to get the desired granular size substance. Scientist uses equipment called fluid bed processor. As you can see from the illustration, the solid substances are bridged with binder droplets to form a snowball-like structure. So once we get the desired granular material, then we advance to the next step. So our second step is blending. In this process, the granulated API and excipients are blended to form a homogeneous compound. This homogeneous compound is basically prepared in a blender. So what does a blender do? Blender does the same activity as of a tabletop mixture grinder we use in our kitchen. So finally this homogeneous mixture is taken into the next stage for compression. As the name indicates, here the homogeneous compound is compressed with the help of Dyson punches in a compressor machine. So these Dyson punches have different sizes and shapes. Here the sizes will determine the strength of the tablet, and shape defines whether we need a round or oval tablet. So now we got the tablet. Can we directly pack and sell it? No, we cannot. To coat these tablets with some solvents to form an outer layer for the tablet. Tablets gets colored in this stage only. If we use aqueous based solution, then the tablet color remains the same as white. The equipment used for this process is called a film coater. So once the tablet is coated, it's ready for packing and selling. So once the tablet is ready, we need to pack it either in a blister or in a bottle. Here the packaging is divided into 2 stages, primary and secondary packing. Here let us see a simple video where we can see how the tablets are packed in a bottle. First, the empty bottles are filled with the tablets, and then it needs to be capped. So the caps comes in the inline capper, and then it puts cap over the empty bottles. Then it needs to be torqued, and then it needs to be sealed and labeled. So finally, after primary packaging is over, we move on to the secondary packing. That is, the filled in bottles are packed in a case and then it is packed in a pallet. So after the palletization, it is directly shipped to the desired places. So that's how the tablet comes to our hand. If you like my video, please subscribe and stay in touch.